Once upon a time, in a vast jungle teeming with life, a powerful lion named Malik ruled with an iron fist. Under his oppressive regime, fear and tyranny gripped the hearts of all the animals. However, amidst this darkness, a courageous and majestic tiger named Rajah emerged as a beacon of hope. Rajah had witnessed the suffering and injustice inflicted upon the jungle's inhabitants. Determined to bring about change, he set out to unite the oppressed creatures and challenge Malik's reign. Rajah's strength, agility, and fierce determination earned him the respect and admiration of those who yearned for freedom. Gathering a group of like-minded animals, Rajah formed a powerful resistance against Malik's rule. The group included a wise old elephant named Kavi, a cunning leopard named Suri, a graceful deer named Tara, and a brave monkey named Bali. Each member brought unique skills and perspectives, making him a formidable force. Despite facing overwhelming odds, Rajah and his allies refused to yield. They devised clever strategies, using the jungle's natural resources to their advantage. They organized secret meetings, spreading messages of unity and resilience. The jungle began to buzz with whispers of hope, and animals who once cowered in fear found the courage to stand up against oppression. Malik, aware of the growing resistance, became increasingly threatened by Rajah's influence. He unleashed his loyal followers, a pack of ferocious hyenas, to crush the rebellion. The battles that ensued were fierce and intense, but Rajah's unwavering resolve and the unity of his allies prevailed. As the resistance gained momentum, word spread beyond the jungle's borders. Animals from far and wide flocked to join Rajah's cause, inspired by his courage and the promise of a brighter future. The once divided jungle now stood united against tyranny. Finally, the day of reckoning arrived. Rajah and his allies led their army of freedom fighters to confront Malik in a final battle. The jungle trembled with anticipation as the clash of roars echoed through the trees. Rajah, fueled by his love for justice and freedom, faced Malik head-on. Their fierce battle raged, and it seemed as though victory could swing in either direction. But Rajah's determination and the unwavering support of his allies tipped the scales in their favor. With a mighty roar that shook the jungle to its core, Rajah triumphed over Malik. The reign of fear and oppression came to an end, replaced by a newfound era of harmony and equality. Rajah, now hailed as a hero, assumed his role as the protector of the jungle. He worked tirelessly to rebuild what had been broken, mending the wounds inflicted by Malik's reign. Under Rajah's leadership, the jungle flourished. Animals lived in peace, respecting one another's differences and embracing the diversity that made the jungle thrive. The tale of the tiger's roar spread throughout the animal kingdom, inspiring others to stand up against injustice and tyranny. Rajah's courage and unwavering determination became a symbol of hope, reminding all creatures that even the mightiest of adversaries can be overcome with a roar of collective strength. And so, the legacy of Rajah and his allies lived on, reminding generations to come of the power that lies within the unity of purpose and the courage to stand up for what is right.